Hey everyone, today we're going to be learning how to use online GDB, which is an online tool to compile, run, and debug your code. So the first thing you want to do is go to onlinegdb.com. The first thing you see when you go to their website is this page here. It already has some code written up for you to try running. So I'm going to hit run. Before we run, we're going to have to choose a language. So I'm going to hit select. And this code looks like it's in C++. So I'm going to hit C++. I'm just going to run the code. And then give us the output. If we want to debug it further, we can go hit the debug button. And it's going to give us this option to start debugging. And here it says that it exited normally. It gave us the output, so this code looks fine. So I'm going to close that and hit stop. Okay, so now to edit this, I'm just going to select everything here and delete it all. Since I'm already in C++, I'm going to start writing a program in C++. Okay, so now I've written a small piece of code using online GDB. So now I can run it and it's going to compile and show me what would come out if I were to run this elsewhere. You can also once more go to the debug feature and start that. I'm going to stop it right here. Next, what I'm going to show you guys is how to save this. So you can save your code on online GDB, which is really cool since you can use it anywhere. Now I can log off this computer and then go elsewhere to maybe another public computer, and I can still access the same code. So to do this, you want to sign up, and it's going to ask for my email address, or it's going to let me sign up with one of these three. So I'm going to sign up. I'm going to use one of those 10-minute email addresses for this. So I'm just going to pull up one of these anonymous email addresses and use that since I already have an account with my email address. I'm going to make up a fake name. Okay, and then let's type in some password. Okay, so we have to verify my email. So I'm going to go back to this email I have. And it says I have 0 messages. I'm going to refresh it. Oh, whoops. Okay, there's no email yet. I want to look at the instructions it has. I'm going to resend that verification link. Okay, I have a message. Verify our account. Okay, I'm going to click on that link. Okay, so now my account has been verified, so I'm going to close that and go back. So now I'm signed in, and now I'm going to save my code. So I don't have that code I wrote earlier, but I'm just going to save what they have already here. So I'm just going to hit the save button, and it'll ask me for a name for my project. I'm going to type in hello world, and then hit save. Now you can see the name of my project here. And if I want to go view this project, I can go into my project and I can see my project here, and anytime I want to go into it and edit it, I can go in and make my edits and then hit save. To create a new project, I can hit this new project button, and I've got this template set up again so I can create another project. Going back into my project, you can also further organize your projects by going to new folder and creating a new folder and then moving stuff into your folder. So I can have multiple folders with multiple different pieces of code inside them so I can organize my work better. So now I'm going to go back into test and open up my project called Hello World. And now we're done, and it's time for you guys to get started coding with online GDB.